Are you on the hunt for the perfect smoothie blender to kickstart your mornings or fuel your post-workout sessions? Look no further. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best smoothie blenders on the market. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. BLACK+DECKER. The BLACK+DECKER BL1400 DGP Quiet Stainless Steel Blender is a remarkable blend of power, precision, and quiet technology designed to elevate your blending experience. Unlike traditional blenders that often disrupt your kitchen with loud noises, this model incorporates innovative quiet technology, reducing noise significantly while still delivering impressive performance. Whether you're blending early in the morning or during a quiet evening, this blender ensures that your blending process is smooth and unobtrusive. At the heart of this blender is its powerful 900-watt motor, capable of crushing ice and blending tough ingredients up to 30% faster than previous models. This efficiency is further enhanced by the Cyclone glass jar, which is specifically designed to create a fast vortex, ensuring that ingredients are rapidly pulled down into the 6-tip serrated blade. The digital controls on the BLACK+DECKER offer a modern touch, providing you with 3 blending speeds and 3 smart functions to choose from. Whether you're making a creamy smoothie, a chunky salsa, or simply crushing ice, the Pulse feature and smart functions allow you to customize your blend to perfection. This versatility ensures that you can achieve the ideal consistency for any recipe with minimal effort. Number 4. Ninja SON 101. The Ninja SS101 Foodie Smoothie Maker and Nutrient Extractor is a versatile powerhouse that redefines what you can expect from a smoothie blender. This innovative appliance is designed not just for traditional smoothies, but also for thicker, richer creations like smoothie bowls, nut butters, and even blender-made ice cream. The 14-ounce smoothie bowl maker, equipped with a built-in tamper, powers through frozen foods with less liquid, ensuring that your smoothie bowls have that perfect spoonable consistency every time. This capability extends to nut butters and ice creams, offering a level of versatility that goes beyond what most blenders can achieve. One of the standout features of the Ninja SS101 is its ability to deliver smooth nutrient extractions. The 24-ounce nutrient extraction cup is designed to break down fruits and vegetables more effectively than previous models, ensuring that your smoothies and frozen drinks are not only delicious, but packed with essential vitamins and nutrients. The Smart Torque technology further enhances this experience by providing a powerful 1200 peak watt motor that can handle heavy loads without stalling. The Ninja S101 is equipped with 6 versatile functions that cater to a wide range of blending needs. With programs for one-touch blending, pulsing, smoothies, extractions, bowls, and spreads, you can easily achieve the perfect texture and consistency for any recipe. The Auto IQ technology takes the guesswork out of blending by using intelligent programs that combine timed pulsing, blending, and pausing patterns. Number 3. Calphalon. The Calphalon blender with its 1200-watt motor and 24-ounce portable blend and go smoothie cup offers an impressive combination of power, precision, and convenience. This blender is designed to take the guesswork out of blending, providing a seamless experience whether you're making a quick morning smoothie or a more complex recipe. The powerful 1200-watt motor ensures that even the toughest ingredients are blended to perfection, while the durable stainless steel 6-point blade ensures consistent and thorough blending every time. One of the standout features of the Calphalon blender is its ability to blend precisely on its own. With 5 food settings: smoothie, salsa, milkshake, frozen drink, and juice, this blender adapts to your needs, delivering optimal results with the touch of a button. Whether you prefer a thick and creamy smoothie or a lighter, more fluid consistency, the consistency selection options allow you to customize your blend to your exact preference. The reversible motor technology further enhances blending efficiency by adjusting the blade's speed and direction, ensuring that every ingredient is thoroughly and evenly blended. What truly sets this blender apart is its ActiveSense technology, which actively adjusts the blade speed, direction, and blend timing to achieve the perfect blend, no matter what you're making. The Add Liquid indicator is a thoughtful feature that notifies you when more liquid is needed to achieve the desired texture, preventing the frustration of stopping mid-blend to make adjustments. Number 2. KitchenAid K150. The KitchenAid K153 Speed Ice Crushing Blender emerges as a top contender. Designed with a modern lifestyle in mind, this blender comes equipped with 2 dual-purpose personal blender jars that allow you to blend directly in the jar and then take it on the go. This seamless transition from kitchen countertop to your busy day makes it an incredibly convenient choice for those who are always on the move. What truly sets the KitchenAid K150 apart is its ability to crush ice in less than 10 seconds, a feat made possible by its unique asymmetric blade. This blade is engineered to blend at 4 distinct angles, pulling ice into the center for a thorough and powerful crush. Whether you're working with a half tray of ice or tough ingredients, this blender delivers consistently smooth results with minimal effort. The K150 offers 3 optimally designed speeds, along with an ice crush setting, giving you the versatility to achieve the perfect blend regardless of your ingredients. Its soft start feature ensures a mess-free experience by beginning at a slower speed to pull ingredients into the blade before ramping up to the selected speed. This not only prevents splatter but also enhances blending efficiency by ensuring all ingredients are evenly incorporated. Number 1. Hamilton Beach. The Hamilton Beach Professional Quiet Shield Blender stands out as a powerhouse that doesn't just promise performance, but delivers it with finesse. With its robust 1500-watt motor, this blender effortlessly crushes ice and tackles even the toughest frozen ingredients, all thanks to its hardened stainless steel blades that slice through your ingredients in mere seconds. The blender's infinite speed control offers an impressive range, allowing you to dial down to a super slow 3000 RPM for gentle tasks or crank it up to a lightning-fast 18,000 RPM when you need to power through dense ingredients. This versatility is complemented by its 4 program settings: Smoothie, Ice Crush, Puree, and Clean. These one-touch programs simplify your blending tasks, allowing you to achieve perfect consistency with minimal effort and making cleanup a breeze. The 32-ounce jar is not only shatterproof, but also BPA-free, ensuring that your health is as well protected as your ingredients. Plus, the included tamper fits conveniently through the lid, making it easy to blend even the densest mixtures without having to stop and scrape down the sides. And when you're done, the blender jar, lid, and tamper can all go straight into the dishwasher, making cleanup as easy as the blending process itself. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the top 5 best smoothie blenders. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews and kitchen tips. And if you've tried any of these blenders or have a favorite of your own, let us know in the comments below. Happy blending, and we'll see you in the next video.